Hey, it's Brian Young. We are doing a, oh, here we goes. 24 Hours Le Mans, Speed versus Endurance. This is the latest set from Auto World, and this is an awesome set. It's Thunderjets. It's SRS 333. Shut up! Get over there!
Shut up! Get over there!
Dude, be quiet!
They want to see that.
I'm telling you, it's unbelievable. I have to deal with my brother! Okay, so this is a 60-foot of track. We're going to set this up and show you what it looks like all set up, okay? And we're going to do it. We're going to do it right now, okay? Right now. So, first we're going to take out all the curved track, the supports, the straight track, the barriers, the bridge, the lap counter, everything. These are the two Auto World cars. This is the Ford, and this is a this one I love. I love this car, Chaparral. This is the Chaparral. This is a beautiful car. What? You only can get them in this set, baby. Only in this set. And these are beautiful Thunderjets. Wait until we race this. Okay, these are in the 24-hour Le Mans. This is the set to get. ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. So we're going to start setting this up right now. Okay, now you have the bank, this layout, you don't need the support. So we're going to put those right here. These are the flags that go on the supports. That's extra curves.
Where are the Bel Airs?
Right there. There's two layouts you can do. You got this layout here and this layout here. We're doing this one right here. Alternate layout. We should have done the A, but you know what? So we're doing the B. You have A, which has the crisscross over and under. But this is just as neat here. And we have the two hand throttles. And give me the stool with the red seat on it. Bring it over here. Got the blue car, which is the Ford, and the yellow Chaparral. So let's put some guardrails on now.
What do you like about this set so far?
Well, you get a lot of track. You get 16 feet of track plus. I don't know what to tell you about Auto World. So they're just a great set. You can't get a better slot car set than an Auto World set for the price. It's just, and you get two fun cars inside the set. I always tell people, just keep buying the Auto World sets and keep combining the track. I mean, you'll be able to build just about any track you can possibly imagine with all the Auto World. Now, one thing nice about it is you get two. The standard curve is broken into two pieces, which these are the quarter curves. I think they're called the quarter curves. Hold on. Yeah, the 9-inch curve, 1/8. You get 4 of these, which is really nice because you can then make different type of layouts, creative layouts. You can be more creative in your layouts.
Hey, Dad.
Plus, you get more supports. Yeah, David.
Can I race you when
Yeah, when we get done. Yep. Let me get all the barriers on. All right. And this is 24-hour Le Mans. All right. This is a great set.
What do you want?
You always get enough barriers in an Auto World set. You get enough curves. You want a lot of curves, but not too many. It's like the layout that we did over there with the curves. You know, it's like going out of a tunnel into a bridge. Look at that. You even get more. Look at that. I'm not even using all the curves, and I've got extra, or I've used them all for every curve. All right, so let's see how these cars work. Wrong way.
My
What
white.
kind of cars are these?
These are Thunderjets, Ultra G Thunderjets. Hold on, let me make double check. These are Thunderjets, Ultra G with the
Low battery mode.
What's this?
Oh, you're not in the guide blade. Oh, your blade.
What are you fixing?
Go. I think you dropped this, Daniel, David. What'd you do?
I didn't do it.
Got power there.
What?
Now the well, sometimes you snap off the and I didn't take these off out of the case correctly, and I snapped off the guide pin because I'm too excited. And that's my problem. My brother gets me too excited, and he gets me frustrated. And so
What are you doing, Uncle Tim?
I broke off the pin right there. See the pin? So I gotta put a new one on. Now, Thunderjets are not your fastest. Unbelievable. I can't see, number one.
What are your glasses?
I had them right here, but of course, nothing's here when I want it.
It said about the low
I know.
power mode. I had to hit it because it froze this camera. But now it's back on a little bit. But I gotta go back to shipping. So
You gotta take the camera over there.
I don't want
Here,
to
bring it over here and plug it into your power right here. Here.
Just right there, just plug it. Any bet? Any other bets? Everybody's betting on who's gonna win the fight.
What fight?
You and I are taking bets now. And Brian's the referee.
Okay, so this is the chaparral right here. See, Thunderjet Ultra G is great for kids. It's not too fast, but they're fun to race. Here, go, David.
I'd be white.
You're the blue. You're the Ford.
I'm stuck.
No.
I'm in front of
Oh, shoot. In the slot. It has to go in the slot.
you.
Do you know what in the slot means?
Yes, check.
Oh, I didn't screw it in right.
I'm just going to keep winning.
Oh, I know what.
What was it?
Hey, Daddy, I guess I'm winning right.
You got to make sure that you get all the flack out of the track. Hold on, David.
Hey, don't touch
Does
me.
it come with extra of those?
Take me away.
No. See, there's plastic in the track sometimes in the connections. It's when they make the track, and I forgot to go through the track and check all the connections. And if you do that, you won't have a problem racing. All right, go.
Ram says run at 55.
Now I'm going fast.
Now I have to grab another one.
Oh, I fell off the track. I was. Oh, the thing snapped off again.
No, that was good.
Here.
What? Now I went off the track.
Slow down a little.
Oh, it came off. It came off. It's right there in the track. I can see the metal piece. That's a good track.
Hold on a second.
The metal piece came off. I did a bit kick it with the bear. Ah! Why are you losing?
Why am I losing everything?
I just. Get the starting line.
This is part of slot cars. I mean,
Starting line.
if you don't want to play with them, or if you don't want to take them apart and understand how they work, this is all about it's all about it. It's how you tinker with it. I remember when I was 12 years old, 1972, Toledo, Ohio. I used to take these cars, strip them apart, and put them back together. That was the whole fun of it.
I agree.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, Ron just likes to complain.
Okay. All right, go. Oh, I know what the problem is. Dagnabbit. What an idiot.
What?
Oh. I've got to go in the wrong way on the lap counter, and that's what's snapping off the
Lap counter's backwards.
What an idiot.
Thought so. That's what Chris thought.
I'm leaving you. Ah.
That's one of like some people
Wait,
say
I'm-
it's not much for the done for.
Wait, you're racing mine. I'm sorry. Hey, you're trying to come after me. You're never gonna get me.
Now the guys are all signing back and forth.
What? You flipped me off the track. Now I'm in front of you.
Not anymore.
Yeah.
Here I come. Oh.
Yeah.
See, now I'm ahead of you.
I'm in front of you. Now I'm in front of
So this is the 24-hour Le Mans. It's a Thunderjet set. You can't get a better product for
They said
Just-
kids running rings around you.
kids, for fun. I mean, this is a great set. These are awesome cars.
you.
I don't know. Maybe I'm biased toward Auto World. I guess the reason I'm biased toward Auto World is they make a great product for the price.
Javelin says he wants to have a proper race, countdown and all.
Why do you have that noise?
Because it clicks the lap counter. All right, we're going to start a race. They want us to do a race, okay? So we're going to start at 0.
Ron said something was buffering, but I don't know which one he's looking at. I think it's fine.
Here. All right,
What
start
are you
right
running,
here.
Ron? 'Cause you got that one I'm seeing.
All right, you ready?
Set, go.
Go. Okay, you cheated.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I'm faster.
Oh.
No.
Ah, you got on my track.
I got first.
Ah, shoot.
Are you keep getting up?
I won. Now you won. Good job. So this is the Ford
I'm back to 0.
GT. Probably the prettiest car ever made.
I'm racing
What's the
myself.
significance of this track? Or these
It
cars?
takes, as they said.
What do you mean the significance?
It's like a big deal.
Well, yeah, it's the 24-hour Le Mans. You know, Le Mans is the most popular race in Europe. You know, it's where the Ford won 3 years in a row. Then they had to ban the Ford because it was too fast. And so they finally did a Le Mans set. This is the Chaparral, which is a really popular car because of the wing in the back. Everybody tried to design a different car that would go fast. You know, Chaparral, the Terrell with 6 wheels. Everybody tried to create a different car, a different speed. And that's what's so unique about racing. Okay? And so it's just another set of cars in your collection.
Daddy, you give the meat packages. Daddy, we both have.
Yep.
We don't got the controller.
This is a great item for Christmas.
We don't.
This is a great item for Christmas. For the price, then you add on to it with more track, then you could finally do this right here. This is your ultimate goal, is to do something like this. Check this out. If you get that stupid gimbal working, okay, this is what your potential could be. This is the 24-hour Le Mans. It's SRS 333. We just got these in. This is the newest set. This is SRS 333. 24 hours of Le Mans, speed versus endurance. See, the Le Mans is 24 hours, okay? So your car has to drive non-stop for 24 hours. So it's speed versus endurance. Your endurance is, can your car's engine last? Can the brakes last? That's what was so unique about, if you ever watched the movie Ford and Ferrari, how the Fords, they basically, the biggest problem was brakes, and they just created a whole brake system that would come off and they would replace it. Well, the Le Mans said, well, you can't do that. Well, yeah, it's one part. And so they were able to get away with that and put brand new brakes on during the race. See, it's all about American ingenuity. No, just kidding. But they're all, you know, it's all about endurance. You know, it's can your engine last 24 hours of non-stop speed? Okay?
Maybe.
You know, because on Le Mans, going on the straightaway, you're going almost 300, 200 and some miles an hour, and then all of a sudden you come down to the turn to come into the pit area, you have to almost stop to less than 25 miles an hour. Because you basically are coming like this, and then you turn like this, and then you come back into the pit area.
Yeah, it's like spotting a deer.
We're not talking about you right now, okay? You're supposed to work and just be quiet. So don't forget to check this online, ProTinkerToys.com. We've already sold a half a dozen of these things. They're going like crazy.
Can I have one?
Why should you get it from me? Because you get customer service, customer support, and I will do everything I can to make you happy as a customer. Plain and simple. I just had a guy call me a couple days ago, wanted to know about some track and everything. And I said, don't worry about it. Okay, one thing, I had another thing. He was able to, what's your problem now?
Well, they're over here yakking. I want to at least, you know, if you could see it. Ah, shoot, I hit something. Oh, crap, I did it again.
Why do you touch things?
I did something.
Cut it off.